Hey guys, Frankie Martinez here with How to Tile Like a Pro, and today I am comparing Triton Board to Hardibacker. Hardibacker is a tile backer board that you use for your subfloor. I'm very familiar with it. We've been using it for years and years and years. So for me, I like to stick to what's tried and true. I like to stick to Hardibacker because I've used it. I know what's good and bad about it. I know the results I'm gonna get from it. So my buddies at Arizona Tile have convinced me to give Triton Board a shot. We're gonna backerboard a whole bathroom floor with it. So here is our Triton Board here. As you can see, it looks just very similar to Hardibacker in shape and size. It's a lot smoother than Hardibacker, and it feels very super light. To me, almost a little flimsy, but it doesn't break at all. It's very together. These are 4 1/4-inch sheets of Triton Board. And you can lift 4 boards just like you would carry probably 2 sheets of 1/4-inch Hardibacker. So that's a huge point for Triton Board right there. Let's go give this a shot and see how it goes. So we're gonna cut this in half so we can stagger the joints. Give it 2 strikes. Wow, that's nice. It breaks really easy. See, very easy to cut. Very easy to cut. Starting to get some respect for this. All right, let's see how this cracks. Wow, very easy to break. Hardibacker, sometimes I gotta lay it down on this to give it pressure to crack it. So definitely a lot harder to snap Hardibacker. This is probably why they call it Hardibacker. It's harder to work with. All right, so normally for this with a Hardibacker, we would just hit it with a grinder. I'm curious to see, it probably cuts like butter with a grinder. I'm gonna try something. This is so soft and brittle that sometimes with a Hardibacker you could just go like, all right, so it's not working. It doesn't work too good. No. So, seems very hard. Hardibacker, sometimes if you just hit a hole in it, you could just cut it out with biters. And it's pretty nice to make it without having to use a grinder, but this guy, I got more respect for this. Wow. That's impressive. I would think it, since its screws go through it so easy, that it's just really weak. But as you can see, it's pretty hard to do. All right, so let's see how this cuts. I'm not sure how much dust it's gonna make, so I'm gonna use a vacuum. So it actually cuts really nice, cuts super soft, way softer than Hardibacker. It does have the fiberglass on both sides, so normally with Hardibacker you can cut the top and kind of just hit it and it'll kind of pop through. This time I tried to do that and it wouldn't pop through because the fiberglass on the bottom was holding it. So you just got to make sure it cuts all the way through, but other than that, it cuts way faster than Hardibacker. Very soft. All right guys, so as I'm installing the Triton board here, my first screw did go all the way through using my impact drill, but I just released the pressure, didn't put so much force on it. I think maybe I'm used to Hardibacker putting a lot of force. You don't have to put a lot of force, and what I do love about the Triton board is every single screw you can get perfectly flush. Now, another huge plus about Triton board is though it is a cement board, it does not contain silica, which is a huge plus to eliminate the danger of breathing silica dust when you're cutting it, which obviously can lead to silicosis and possibly even lung cancer. So another great thing to love about Triton Board. Now, I was told originally that Triton Board was imported from China, but they just got a factory in Texas, so now it's going to be produced right here in the US, which means you should be seeing a lot more of this new impressive Backerboard real soon. All right, guys, but there you have it. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this Triton Board. Triton Board may be the new Hardibacker, so I don't know, that's my opinion. I'm definitely gonna keep trying it, keep using it. So if you like this video, if it helped you out, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. It really helps YouTube know that I'm putting out content that is helping people, and that lets YouTube show it to more people, so it really helps out the channel. Thank you guys, have a great day. We'll see you later, bye.